Hey guys, it's me Sugar here, and today we're going to dive straight into this video. We're going to be playing around with another unit from the Janet collection. I'm going to be doing the Wig Jada from their Melt HD line. So sit back and relax. If you're new here, please hit the subscribe button, and to everyone watching, please hit the like button. So let's get into this. Okay, you guys, so this is straight out the pack. This is what the hairline is looking like. Up here it's plucked really great, but I feel like by the time they got here it's not as plucked. I mean, it's okay, but I just still feel like it's a little dense, so I'm gonna go ahead and tweeze that. You guys, so this is the finished install. This hair has a really nice natural finish. The sheen of it is great, just very natural, not shiny or plastic looking. It's very lightweight. I can't even tell that I have it on. It's not tight. Like, I can't feel it. I did brush out the curls a bit. They're still there. I just wanted mine to be a little bit looser. This is what the hairline is looking like. So, yes, she's really cute. And that is all, you guys. So thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. And I will catch you guys in the next one.